When it comes to finding the best interior company in Dharamshala, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a premier choice. With their expertise in interior design and a commitment to excellence, SCON Design has established itself as a top player in the industry. Their team of talented professionals combines creativity, functionality, and innovation to create stunning interior spaces that are tailored to the needs and preferences of their clients. Whether it is residential or commercial projects, SCON Design has the skills and experience to deliver exceptional results. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior companies in Dharamshala is their attention to detail and dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique requirements and preferences, and they go above and beyond to exceed expectations. With a deep understanding of the latest design trends and techniques, SCON Design creates spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. From concept development to project execution, their team ensures that every aspect of the interior design process is executed flawlessly. SCON Design's portfolio speaks volumes about their expertise and professionalism. Their completed projects showcase a diverse range of styles and aesthetics, demonstrating their versatility as an interior company. Whether it is a modern minimalist design or a traditional Indian-inspired space, SCON Design has the skills and resources to bring any vision to life. Their attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and use of premium materials make them a trusted choice for clients who value excellence in interior design. If you are looking for the best interior company in Dharamshala, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd should be your go-to choice. With their commitment to delivering exceptional results and their ability to transform any space into a masterpiece, SCON Design has earned its reputation as a leader in the industry. Contact them today to discuss your interior design needs and witness firsthand the magic they can create within your space. Experience excellence in interior design with SCON Design. Our talented team creates stunning and personalized spaces for residential and commercial projects. Discover the best interior company in Dharamshala.